Now, ladies and gentlemen, an ordinary artillery crew should be able to fire their weapon every 30 seconds. Not only that, but we should be able to hit our 4x4 target straight through the center from a distance of a mile away 100% of the time to prove competency. We'll see how that works out for us. Right. Gun crew, take care. 10 bent. Search piece. Sponge piece. Handle charge. Advance charge. Load. Ram down charge. Pick and prime.
Dat je 30 seconden even denkt, wat
Take aim. Gun crew, make ready. You all know what to do. Fire!
We need more of this. This one's dead.
Yeah, I figured as much. Ladies and gentlemen, let us have a moment to secure the cannon. Oh, speak of the devil. The cannon is now safe to approach. If you wish to come and take a closer look at it, you may. If not, keep in mind there will be an infantry exercise at noon. That is 12 o'clock at point number 12. There will not be 12 of us, so I can't complete that trilogy.